Hello and welcome everybody. So if this is your first time to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, and as usual, if you enjoy this video, please hit that like button. So without further ado, let's get into what we're doing today. So today I'd like to go through what is a VPN, how does it work, why you'd use one, and then getting a truly free unlimited data VPN. Okay, so what is a VPN? A VPN is a virtual private network, and as the name implies, it provides users with a virtual network that is private so that you can connect to the internet in a way that is safe and secure. Essentially, the ultimate goal of a VPN is to keep your browsing private. So, how does it work? It takes your connection, and instead of going directly to the internet, it tunnels your connection to a VPN server. This server is one that the VPN provider provides you with. All the data from your machine going to this server of the VPN provider is encrypted. If you don't know what encryption is, I'll leave a card up here. So, why would you want to use a VPN? Well, a lot of corporates use VPNs for remote workers so that they can be on the same network as everyone in the business. So now you might be asking, but why would I want to use a VPN? So one of the biggest reasons people use VPNs in some countries is to get content that is not available in their country. Another valid reason is for personal privacy. If you have ever connected to a public network, let's say at a coffee shop or at a restaurant, your personal information that you put into any website there could be tracked and logged. So now let's look. So why would you not want to use a VPN? Now, a VPN, normally the speeds are quite drastically more because you are tunneling all of this over to the server, and then it's only accessing the internet. So always speed, and then normally the data cap. So especially with free VPNs, most of them have a data cap, except for the one I'm about to show you. Protonmail is an encrypted email service based in Switzerland. So yes, you do have to create an email account, but this allows you to also create the VPN. So the nice thing with this is it is a Swiss based company, so all of your data is protected by Swiss privacy and has end-to-end encryption. So only you have the key to your email address. So if we click here, we can just select the free account, and then of course fill this out. I will skip over this. Once the account is created, so we can go to settings, and then we can go to Proton VPN. We can select our operating system. We can click download. Then we can just run the installation process. Once the installation is complete, we can click finish, and then mine comes up. So I will log in to the email address that I've just created. And then I can turn off remember login or leave it on and then start with Windows or not. Let us log in. And there we go. You see it says enjoy plus for free. As a gift you get 7 days of premium for free. I'm going to skip that for now. All we can do now is go quick connect. As we can see, we have a new connection. Let's say if we want to connect to Australia, we can just click connect. On the free version it is pretty limited. You do only get one server to connect to, but now we can see that we are in Australia. So I'm going to disconnect this for now, and then the next VPN I want to show you is this VPN. I'm not going to attempt to say the name, interpret it however you want to. The nice thing with this VPN and why I'm listing it here is that it has a mobile version. By mobile I mean it does not need to be installed. So like here we have Proton VPN installed onto the operating system. This VPN, you do not need to install anything. You can just put it on a memory stick and use it at any time. Another nice VPN that a lot of people do not know about is actually Google Translate. So if you want to hide your stuff, I guess, from other people, you can just do it in Google Translate. And I have this what's my IP. We can look it up here in Google Translate, and as we see, it says that I am in, I don't know where is that, Switzerland. See, it says I'm there, whereas I know I am not there. So just keep that in mind. Google Translate can always be used. So now if we go back to Proton VPN, the nice thing about Proton VPN is you can use it on all your devices. You can use it on your Windows, your Mac, your Linux, as well as Android and iOS. So that is an awesome thing about Proton. You can always just go down here, and then you can see over here is a little icon, and you can just go quick connect, and it can connect you to the session. You can also monitor it if it is or isn't connected. You'll see when it goes. You see how it's flashing, that means it's going to connect. But if it's grey like that with a red thing, then it's not connected. When it goes green, it will be connected. If you did like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. Goodbye.